Opia has a speed advantage. Bumeke.
Hard din tuloy dito sa kanyang basketball career. Talk more about that later. Pero ito ang sa reaction. Anong height mo?
Tsaka saan papunta? Ba't ka nandyan? Edward Mentino. This is brought to you by Wilbot ang bola. 6 seconds to shoot here. The one-hander is good inside for Amores.
Rightly has made a name for himself as an efficient player off the bench for Northport itong si Amores. Both on the offense and on defense. Kaya pang bumantay ng guardia yan.
Okay, why? Habang pinag-uusapan natin siya, nakabasket na naman itong si John Amores. A bit late. Was the defense there of Blackwater. The move, another defender meeting him. Ganda ng depensa na yun mula sa Blackwater. Paraiso ipipilit na. Kick out pass. Amores for 3. He beats the buzzer.
7 points off the bench. 7 second quarter points para dito kay Amores. That's 7 of the 20. Or 23 second quarter points para sa kanila.
Tagtagal man yung play. Nakita naman yung tamang player.